This is one of the most beautiful family homes that we've seen come to the market in Kendal in 2022. Renovated over the past 18 months by the current owners, no expense and no detail has been spared. It's high spec, it's high tech, and it's high desirability. On entering the property, you'll notice the stylish flooring which flows throughout the ground accommodation, under which lies a wet underfloor heating system, and combined with solar panels it makes this home highly energy efficient. There's a living room, a formal dining area, and then an open plan family room with bifolds leading to the rear terrace. The contemporary kitchen has Samsung appliances, a large peninsula, plenty of space to socialise, and sparkling granite worktops. There's a utility for the laundry and a ground floor walk-in shower room. Upstairs there are 6 bedrooms in total, 2 of them en suite and a family bathroom. All the rooms are of generous proportions and new owners will decide how best to use the space. Somewhere to sleep, somewhere to play, or somewhere to work. And then we come to a real signature room in this beautiful home. The master bedroom. Double Juliet balconies overlook the rear garden. Sunlight streams in from the roof lantern. In the master ensuite you find his and hers wash hand basins. Outside there are multiple entertaining areas, terraces, there's a fish pond, and the perimeter of the property is securely fenced. In the evening, external lighting looks absolutely stunning. There's CCTV, and out front an EV charging point and parking for multiple vehicles. Come and view this stunning home with Hunters.